Hey folks, I have a repair to show you actually, and this is from a repeat customer of mine. He sent this over because he knows I'm interested in this particular brand and model. So this is a Lyon and Healy tenor ukulele, or Washburn depending on how it's labeled. It's the same thing. Made in Chicago in the 20s or so. And most of the instruments I've built and designed started off with a Lyon and Healy vintage instrument as a model. So there's little details on this instrument that you see echoed in mine. So the sound hole is binding instead of rosette, the shape of this here, the shape of my end of my headstock, and then the general body shapes also are pretty close to what I use. So anyway, this customer sent this to me because we thought we were going to replace the bridge. He had two strings here that the slots had just torn out over the years. And we were thinking about replacing it, but I just decided to repair it. Maybe it won't. Maybe it only lasts 40 years, but I didn't want to do a replacement if I didn't have to. So I kind of drilled out and plugged it with matching mahogany and filled all the gaps with glue and everything, and then recut new slots and went for it. It also needed a little bit of fretwork, and the action needed to be set by shaving down the bridge. So, but the main reason I wanted to show you this instrument is I have one that's similar, that's mine. It's a less fancy model. It doesn't have any binding, and actually the sound hole ring is wood on mine, but it's pretty close. But the back of mine says Washburn patent applied for number 710. His says Washburn patent applied for, and no model number. But here's the thing. These were originally marketed to be lower pitch than a regular ukulele. They were marketed to be DGBE, like a baritone, with a high D. So that's how I have this one strung. And you actually find that at the very early days of tenor ukes in America, on the mainland, they often were supposed to be a lower pitch. So I have mine strung low. But for the customers, I have GCEA strings on it, but I have it tuned a whole step down from that. So this is like, instead of a C chord, this is a B flat chord. And obviously the customer can just tune up higher if he wants. But I just really like the lower voice on this uke. So we'll see if he keeps it that way or not. Yeah, these are great. They're totally featherweight. They're just really nice instruments. And this one did not take that much to get it going again. So here's our two Washburn tenors, Lyon and Healy tenors. Cheers.